The Walrus and the Carpenter, from the poem by Lewis Carroll. The sun was shining on the sea, shining with all his might. He did his very best to make the billows smooth and bright. And this was odd because it was the middle of the night. The moon was shining sulkily because she thought the sun had got no business to be there after the day was done. "It's very rude of him," she said, "to come and spoil the fun." The sea was wet as wet could be, the sands were dry as dry. You could not see a cloud because no cloud was in the sky. No birds flew overhead, there were no birds to fly. The Walrus and the Carpenter were walking close at hand. They wept like anything to see such quantities of sand. If this were only clear away, they said, it would be grand. Question number 1. Which choice best describes what kind of poem this is? A. Narrative with a rhyming pattern. B. Narrative without a rhyming pattern. C. Free verse with a rhyming pattern. D. Lyrical without a rhyming pattern. In the first stanza, the poet says it was odd that F. The moon was shining at night. G. The sea was shining. H. The sun was shining at night. J. The moon was shining in the day. Question number 3. In the second stanza, what does the moon think of the sun? A. He's lazy and not shining enough. B. He's odd and shining sulkily. C. He's rude and ruining the fun. D. He's grand and does his best. Question number 4. In the third stanza, which line ends in rhyming words? F. Lines 1, 2, and 3. G. Lines 1, 3, and 5. H. Lines 2, 3, and 4. J. Lines 2, 4, and 6. Question number 5. Why do the walrus and the carpenter weep? A. Because there are no birds. B. Because there is too much sand. C. Because they miss the sun. D. Because they think the sun is mean. When you are done, write your answers on the exit ticket and don't forget to hit submit.